Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco. This is their part number 1041G. This is what they call a Chicago key blank. 1041 up at the top there. Just keeping my hand up there to force the camera to set that focal length that's short. A couple of images down below that you'll be able to take a look at what that looks like. The blade height, 0.403. 0.403 overall blade height. Oh, you know what? I'll also give you the shoulder stop dimension as well to the end. I'd say 0.502 from the shoulder stop right to the end of the flat before it breaks. 0.502. There is some supporting documentation down below. Let's switch to the screen view and take a look. Okay, so this is the item that we are looking at. This is what's called the milling profile. I might say it's possibly more accurate to call it the broaching profile, because this is what the cylinder looks like when you're looking down into the cylinder. The milling is what's done to the key. The broaching is what's done to the cylinder, but that's what it looks like. But because it's a convenience key, you know, you can flip that around in your mind's eye. It comes back the same way, in the sense that what's happening up here is the same as what's happening down here. So, you're going to have a double cut scenario on that. Supporting documentation. Let's copy the 1041G. Let's click on the link to the manufacturer's page, which is here, below the video. Key blank catalog, right here. Now, all of the North American cylinders, that's all in section 2 of the key blank catalog, and we're going to get that document to open up. It's about 400 pages worth, if I recall. 500 almost. So we're just going to do a find function on our keyboard, Control F for 1041G. And you're going to find different instances of it. It does show up in section 1 in some automotive. As I continue to click through here, we do get to section 2 under the Chicago section. We'll find a 1041G. There it is. Okay, 1041G. The Ilco EZ number, just a number that you can use to order it, would be a CG1. There it is. Okay. Now, the 1041G came up a few dozen times when we searched that in the site. And that's because it's going to show up in lots of different cross-reference documents. And as I continue to scroll through, we're going to find, obviously, all things 1041G plus anything after that. But we're also locating, for instance, here's a 1041G Ilco number to the Dominion key number, which was somewhere here. 41G. You get the concept. You can continue to scroll through and find all of the other instances. Makes it very handy. If you've got an Ilco number and you're looking for the jet part number, it's a CG1. Okay? Same as the EZ number. Very handy cross-reference. Now, you're not going to be able to use the key blank catalog for instances to positively identify every possible key blank, because Kaba Ilco doesn't make every possible key blank. But what you can almost always use this for is to help eliminate what it can't be. And just be mindful, what you're seeing here is looking down into the cylinder. So this document is handy at a minimum just to help you determine what it's not. If Kaba Ilco makes it, you should be able to do a great service at being able to determine the key blank, and if not, at least what it can't be, and that's very helpful as well. Other documents on this page would be lots, several and many, manuals, instruction sheets for key machines, A link to their brass cylinder manual is here as well. All the Kaba Ilco products that we sell can be seen through this navigation. A link to the manufacturer's website as well. Let's wrap up this video on camera. Okay, in conclusion, nickel silver blank that they have here, nice quality key blank that you're going to get from Kaba Ilco. The name is synonymous. They must be North America's largest OEM manufacturer of key blanks. I don't know if they're an OEM. Well, they're an OEM for their material. They're an OEM. In decades of using their product, I literally can recall one time where a key blank was literally mismilled. In 30 years, the tens of thousands of keys that I must have cut in my career so far, only one that I determined was a factory improperly manufactured key. Spectacular customer service and technical support as well. Any questions on the 1041G? This is their Kaba Ilco Chicago key blank, or any other Kaba Ilco product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.